Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I am going to show you how to apply glitter eyeshadow. It's basically applying glitter on your shadow and it's super easy and very simple, so let's get started. And if you want to learn how to apply glitter correctly, then you have to watch the video till end. Do not skip any part. So the very first step is applying an eye base. I applied MAC paint pot. You can use any concealer as an eye base and set it with a powder. And for eyeshadow, I'm going in with a although I'm going in with a light pink shade on my crease and blending it with a fluffy blending brush. And also I added a little bit of darker pink on that shade just to give that depth in the color. Then I'm using a black eyeshadow. This is a matte black eyeshadow. It does not have any shimmer in it, and I'm using the same fluffy blending brush because it has got that flat edge as well, and I'm packing the black eyeshadow. If you want, you can use another flat brush, but I like this brush because then I can blend the eyeshadow as well. Since black eyeshadow has a gray hue, so if you blend black eyeshadow a lot, it will leave a gray hue, so we have to cover those edges of gray. So in my crease I'm using dark brownish pinkish shade from the palette and blending in the crease just to diffuse black with the pink. This is another Morphe brush. I really like this brush because it has got that soft bristles and it really blends my eyeshadow smoothly in my upper crease, and I use this shade to blend everything all together. Now I'm taking a small blending brush and I have taken the silver shimmer from the palette. It is so pretty, so beautiful, and it's important to use light shimmers in inner corner and lower eyelid to make sure your eyes look wider. And then I'm using the same shimmer in my brow bone and I'm packing the shimmer on my brow bone. Make sure you blend the shimmer as well, otherwise it doesn't look nice. Now today I'm using Forever 52 flakes. This is beautiful. I think two-tone flakes. It looks really pretty on eyes. And I wanted to go with glitter, but I today ended up using eyelash glue as well. So I just applied glue on my lid and then I packed the glitter using a spoolie, flat spoolie. This really helps that glitter is packed properly and it's not messing on your fingers or eyes. And then taking a clean blending brush, I try to spread the glitter all over my lid so that it looks blended on my eye. And then I'm taking the shade purplish darkish shade, the same shade I've used in my upper eyelid, not purple, pink, and I'm blending in my lower lid. Now if you see, I've used darker in the outer edge and lighter in my inner edge, so try to keep that theme in your mind so that it looks pretty. And then I'm going with water white eye pencil in my waterline. You can use nude or black. I love this one. And then I'm going in with this mascara. It's from Essence. It's a waterproof, it's really good. And then I'm going in with some lashes. This is my final look and you can see how pretty and easy this look was. And if you love this look, then do subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.